Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Biz Kitchen. Karibuni sana. It's been a minute, it's been a while. So today I'll be cooking the potato wedges. I'll be baking the potatoes in the oven. So here the potatoes already cut into different sizes, but now I guess this is the wedge, yeah, right? So what I'll do, I'll spice them up, use some oil, and then bake in the oven. So these are the spices that I'll be using. I have the turmeric. On this other side, I have the cumin. I have the ginger. On this other side, I have the paprika. This is a must for me. This is a must for me. Then I have the black pepper. This is optional, but it has its own flavor. Then I have the garam masala. So I'll just mix them up and see. So I'll start by putting in my spices. I'll start with the cumin. I'm going to add in the turmeric. Then I'm going to add in the paprika. The garam masala. Salt to taste. There we go. I'm going to add in my cooking oil. That's enough. I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to give a good mix. I'm going to mix up everything. There we go. Then on this other side, I've already prepared my tray, the one that I'm going to put in the oven. And everything is set. So here, I've already even put in the foil paper. I'll just drop in my potato wedges. It should be easy even to mix it from here. Drop everything inside. There you go. So from here, I can still give it a good mix. As I spread the potatoes. By now, my oven is already preheating. Here, there we go. I'll bake the potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes here. I'm just going to put for 20 minutes. There we go. Give it 20 minutes. You can always cover your tray with another foil paper on top if you want the potatoes to cook fast or quick. But for me, I guess I'll just do it that way. I'm not in a hurry, so I'll just give it time. Yeah. After 20 minutes now, we check and see how our potato wedges are doing. There we go. Let me see. Not yet. So I'm going to add more 15 minutes. They're almost there. You can see. Yeah. I'm going to add 15 more minutes. Allow them to cook well. Yeah, let's do 15 more minutes. Oh, I do 20. I can do another 20, right? Yeah, 20. So on this side, I'm making sauce to be used with the wedges. This is pure tomato sauce. I'll be putting in the oyster sauce. For this one, I'll put it like this. It's a bit thicker. This is the outcome after even putting the soy sauce. I added a bit of the soy sauce, and now this is the outcome. I'm just going to allow it to cool, then we're going to use it with the potato wedges. Let's now check our potato wedges. I'm so sure by now they're good. There we go. My timer is off. Awesome. They're well cooked. Just going to get them out of the oven. Here. This is the final outcome. As you can see, they're here. They're looking so lovely, so beautiful. Look at that. This is the sauce that I made. Oh, looking so nice. Some cachembery on the side. My lemon. I love lemons, you know. So here we go. Just going to take one and dip in my sauce, just like that. You see, and enjoy. So nice, so love. So yummy, so delicious. Oh God, you can try this at any time during the holidays, during the weekends. It's an easy recipe. Thank you so much for being here, for supporting. That was B's Kitchen for you. Bye bye.